I need to like get my computer from downstairs and I'm not really doing that.
Fuck your fat ass.
Yes. I got it.
Thank you.
Bomb acquired.
At least they're not like rushing for tags and they're letting us spawn back in.
We need to kill that guy, dude.
We got the bomb.
Yeah. I've died 4 times.
Same.
Why do you want to win? Do you want to like keep your win streak going or something?
You're on a what one streak?
Wow.
Dang.
Is it last?
No, it's kill 1. We need to kill that chainsaw using bitch.
Or are you camping?
Time's almost up.
He's probably in the strip club. That's the last place we all saw him. Wait, hold on. I'm opening the crate. See what I get in here. I got a SATCOM. If anyone has a SATCOM.
I think I'm too off of one.
Same. Oh.
That scared me.
I know. I heard you the first time.
Where is he?
Bomb's been planted. Revive. I'm a hit.
I think he's hard scoping too. There you go.
We're in the lead. Excellent job, Ghosts. Get ready for the next round. Halftime.
3 shots.
Search and rescue.
Dang.
Defend the objective.
Oh, he's taking so last.
Enemy SATCOM
Dude,
spotted.
he's like 10. He has like 10 kills.
No, that's the fucking machine gun, the fucking chainsaw guy. The one that's gotten like super tryhard.
I don't think so.
You don't even die by it, even if you put it there. It barely does anything. It just blurs your screen out a little bit.
Gotcha.
We need to kill. Oh, we shouldn't have killed that guy.
Oh, he died.
Good. Now keep ASAP guy and kill the other 2, because those 2 are the gay ones.
Oh, one straight down. I'm horrible with calls, I'm sorry. Oh god. He got rescued.
Me.
Enemy contact coming out of the pawn shop. We lost that round, but we can still win this.
I'm 1 off of a SATCOM, I think. I don't know.
Concept.
I'm 13 and stop.
Search and rescue. Defend
That's
the
probably the
objective.
only thing he does is just sweat on trick shutters.
Enemy care package incoming.
Yeah, that's what it is, and it's like a trophy system too, I think. Oh, and it kills dogs if there's any dogs near you too. Yes, so sad. But still, I kill them anyways. I'm like, bitch! Sometimes they end
I
up
haven't
killing
seen a
me.
wolf yet.
Hey, haven't you want me to buy one and use it on you?
But they just killed each other at the same time. Got him. Done.
Thank you.
Is it last?
What kid? Is it the fucking
Last.
same kid? Yep. Yeah. The one that's like a fucking,
Oh, that, he's next to the box.
yeah, I see that. He's about to take shit on me.
That's
Oh, you're
them.
marking me. I didn't do shit to them.
My anti-swap messed up. Oh my gosh, I'm dead.
Thank you, sir. Or shall I say, madam?
How did he not kill me?
Time's almost up. Revive.
What? I ran over my tag and he...
Yeah, it's a stall equipment thing too. If you guys really want to risk your lives, you can go get it.
Ammo crate ready.
This kid's really pissing me off. I just lost my knife.
Oh, I thought we were arrested.
We're in the lead.
Oh wow.
You
Oh!
would have hit it too,
Excellent job,
Vesper.
Ghost.
You would have
Get
hit
ready
it
for the
if
next
you wouldn't have
round.
had to cock back. It was such a sexy shot too.
Search and rescue. Defend the objective.
Anyone has an IMS or no IMS? SATCOM?
Enemy Oracle inbound.
I'm one away. I don't know how.
He has
Enemy
support 3.
SATCOM spotted.
Yeah, I know they suck. They only help if people are camping.
Movement in the motel!
There's another one there too. One and done again because he rescued him.
He's behind that tank near the motel! Roger, I'm on it!
SATCOM ready.
Nice, nice. Oh, the other dude's over here.
Toss him a stun grenade! I'm out reloading! Cover me, I'm reloading!
Yeah, no, I was gonna go get him, but he was near it, so I was just being precautious about it.
Cover me, I'm reloading!
Oh, I lost my knife.
Reloading!
Revive. Time's almost up.
Oh, we got a hit marker on me.
Thank you.
We're in the lead.
Ooh.
Oh! 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 Oh!
No,
I was
you
watching
didn't.
that. Yes, he did. Oh! Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh!
Nice.